All ready to go, started at 1 or 0 degrees this morning and about to head away to the North Island. Thanks for joining us heading towards Blenheim and a dock campground, heading to the Cold Kiwi. I haven't been up here since 2010, kind of really excited about it. The weather's perfect for it and great stuff. I'm actually doing the trip mostly solo. Ant's coming up with us to stay the night at the campground there, and then he's going to head back to Christchurch and I'm going to jump on that ferry and away we go. Let's go and do it. First stop is Cheviot for a snack and a little wee bit of a break. In Cheviot, quick stop for some food, and now off towards Hakura, ultimately Blenheim, and we're going to be camping up at a camp up there, so that's going to be awesome. Beautiful day, look at that, nice blue sky. Kaikoura is only a hop, skip and a jump from Cheviot, and really beautiful scenery. It is quite flat, and but all in saying that, they're coming to the end of winter into spring, and the roads are spectacular. There's some really great, awesome windy bits, even though they have reduced speed limits over parts of the Hundalis down to between 60 and 80 kilometres per hour. But at least you had some time to look out over the side of the road and enjoy and take in some of that sweet visual beauty. There's definitely been some art in the reconstruction of this road and some of the rockfall protection that has been put up on the roadside cliffs and stuff. This is spectacular really. It comes right across the road and it's been wired into and drilled into the side of the cliff, and just to stop the rocks from closing the road. Quick little regas in Kaikoura towards Blenheim. Now we're heading in visual Mecca. Travelling alongside a train which travels the main trunk line along the south coast, and this one will be heading towards Picton, no doubt taking some freight to the ferry and to the North Island ultimately. Pretty cool going past to see that visual beauty again. It's a reasonably quiet day today. There's not a lot of traffic on the road, a few trucks, a few cars, but nothing too bad. It's not often you get to enjoy some of these beautiful bits of road with no traffic. How often do you get to come down this hill or up it and not encounter a truck, a car, or whatever? Arriving in Blenheim, we're going to find a place to buy some cold refreshments. I'm from Blenheim, we're heading to the dock camping ground, vineyard country, lots of vines. This road is really awesome. Nice scenic, wouldn't blast through here too fastly because there is a bit of grit on the ground in places as we're travelling through, but beautiful little wee road heading to the dock camping ground where, of course I said before, we're going to be staying the night. Yeah, I think I'm going to get one of those Yeti bottles actually, I reckon. Yeah.
Cheers.
That's quite nice. Subtle. That wasn't so subtle. That's a cracking looking place though, isn't it?
Beautiful.
That must be the amenities over there.
These trees are brilliant.
The one thing that looks good here is my bike.
Oh.
This is a Tennessee Apple Jack Daniels. That was $1 more there. I thought it was $16.99, but she's charging $17.99. Oh well, cheers.
Oh, cheers.
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 Well, that's a different flavour. It's very dry.
Totara.
That's an impressive tree. It's been there for a long time. That's a pretty cool fern too. What do they call it? A fern tree or a fern bush? Well, it's not really a bush, it's more of a tree. You're gonna fly?
You can't eat that one because we've seen it.
We've seen it, yeah. Where's the powder site?
Somewhere close to the toilet block?
Why has this got nothing on there? Does that mean it's free tonight?
No.
You sure? There we go. Oh well.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Waka. Having a good time of year to go camping, isn't it?
It is a good year.
Well, it's all about product placement. You see?
Product placement. I'm not getting sponsored by these people.
Oh, you got the camera that way, so I have to go that way.
Oh well.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Got the tab the wrong way around, but we'll drink it anyway. It's now dinner time. This is lamb with a Mexican herb spice, just like flipped over the top as we fry it up. And what are you frying up? Steak. He says it's steak. Bistecca for your Italians. Oh look, what is this? Oh, surprise! Yeah, I wonder how much wind it took to blow it down or whether it just gave way one day. Pretty impressive though. This is a totally beautiful place to have camped. Really, really nice. This situation here is stunning. I'll tell you that, it's beautiful. It really is. Sun coming up now. Night here camping was beautiful. There was a blue moon, which was super blue moon, which was really bright and really cool. So yeah, awesome to see that. Yeah, it's a shame. So some people came in last night and did a bit of a hoon around the paddock, which is a bit sad. It makes a mess of things for everyone else. These trees are impressive. They look old, massive and tall. Anyway, we're going to go to Picton. We're going to catch the ferry across the water and then end up on the other side. It'll be awesome, eh? Trying to start the bike this morning, sadly disaster happened. Had to push start. It was not good. I didn't have my camera on at the time. Too cold. Battery, just didn't want to turn the engine over. I took a wrong turn as well. I turned left instead of turning right, and I ended up getting up the road a little bit and realizing, I'm heading towards Nelson. I don't want to go to Nelson. I got to get to this ferry. So quickly swang around, and now we're in Picton, and I finally found my way. Not such a good start to the morning. Had to push start because it was 0 degrees and the battery didn't want to turn over. So what happened? I've broken the side before in the North Island on a TT2000. This part of the bracket down the bottom is snapped, so I just had to cable tie that over the place. A lot of the freight, most of the freight would actually travel through the Picton port to get to Christchurch and the rest of the South Island, or vice versa. Nice to be having a cup of coffee. Time to board the mighty Picton Ferry, Interislander, from the South Island to head to the North Island, where things get real and it's time to head towards this Cold Kiwi motorcycle rally. The ferry takes cars and trucks and trains, carriages and so on. Strop your bike down and away we go. A few of us looking forward to it. Beautiful day continuing.